All right, here we go. Galaxy Z Flip 5 in hand. Let's get this puppy unboxed. All right, you know how we do it. Unboxing. For some reason, the stickers or the little tear pieces feel a little more rigid this year. All right. This is all the essential stuff that they give you. Charger, instructions, and your SIM eject. Don't need any of that right now. This is what we came here for. All right, so without further ado, I don't like to tear any of my paper. If you've been here before, you know me by now. All right, so there we go. Nice and reflective. Let's fold that shut. Ooh, that is nice. Looks good. You know how I feel about stickers on my product. There we go. And let's get it turned on. Because really, we're all here for this display. And there we go. All this right here is display. All this. Like, all this. So, barely a crease. I like the way that looks. Like, you can tell there is a crease there, but you notice when the screen got white, a lighter color, crease just kind of disappeared, and it really depends on how the light hits it. Wish I had ordered in time to get the gray, but I got this black. It's very reflective. I got to get a case on that. And Samsung logo on the hinge. I like that. Oh, almost dropped it. No case. I like that sound. Whew, look at that. Everything you need right up front. So none of this has been set up, but I'm gonna drop all my information in. I'll even pop a SIM card in it just to check it out. And yes, I still use SIM cards. But this is what we were looking for. This is an unboxing of the plain black Z Flip 5. My first impressions is it's nice, it's sleek. I don't expect much dust to get in there. I can see a little bit of light through the crease or through that crack. Everything really looks good, lines up, feels good in the hand. We got to get it turned on. We got to get it like set up, and we got to get it tested out. But for right now, welcome. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.